So find all the solutions in the interval 0 to 2 pi, but this time there is a period change. B is 2, so that means the period is 2 pi over B. B is 2. The period is pi, which means it's going to have twice as many solutions as it normally would. So instead of 2, this one should have 4 solutions because the period got cut in half. Solve for 2x first of all. When does sine equal negative square root of 3 over 2? That would be the pi over 3's, and since it's negative, it's in quadrants. Sine is negative in quadrants 3 and 4. So that's 4 pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. Now, since we solved for the period already, we could actually just keep that off to the side and apply it in a minute. You could also right now just say plus 2n pi, which would be the normal period, before we solve it out. So if you wrote the plus 2n pi now and divide everything by 2, you get x equals, divide by 2, you get 2 pi over 3. Plus 1n pi when we divide by 2, n pi. And then solve for x, we get 5 pi over 6 plus, divide by 2, you get 1 n pi, n pi. Now, since if we include the 2n pi to get more solutions, we found one answer already of 2 pi over 3. And 5 pi over 6. If you just plug in 1 for n, you get 2 pi over 3 plus, say, 3 pi over 3. That would be 5 pi over 3, which is still between 0 and 2 pi. It's still within our interval that we're looking for answers. And then 5 pi over 6 plus pi, that'd be 6 pi over 6. So you get 11 pi over 6. So you get 4 solutions. If you didn't do it with the n pi, and you just found the period at the beginning, then whatever you found initially, you just have to add pi to it, because it would get another solution after the period goes through one time. So if you did not want to include the n pi from the adding the period on early, just include the period at the end. You have your 2 original solutions plus pi, and you get all 4 solutions. So sine typically has 2 solutions. If the period is shortened, there'll be more solutions. So whatever number that is in front of the x tells you how many times 2 solutions there'll be. So here's 2 times 2, there could be 4 solutions. Make sure you get them all.